In this video, I'll show you how to check if Secure Boot is enabled or disabled in Windows 11. If you can boot into the UEFI BIOS firmware settings, you can check its status directly. However, in this video, we'll check it from within Windows without booting into the BIOS. The first and easiest way is to check it through System Information. The second method is to use Windows Security. Under the Secure Boot section, you can see if Secure Boot is on, enabled, or off, disabled. Lastly, you can check if Secure Boot is enabled or disabled using a PowerShell command. If the computer supports Secure Boot and it is enabled, the commandlet will return true. On this computer, Secure Boot is currently disabled. The Secure Boot section is not available. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in next videos.